In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Forms link. Whether you're collecting RSVPs, feedback, or quiz answers, getting the link to the right people is key. Here's exactly how to do it clearly and securely. First, open your form in Microsoft Forms. Make sure you're looking at the form you want to share, not a template or a different draft. If you've just created it, give it a quick glance to confirm the title and questions are ready for others to see. Little typos can cause confusion later. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and choose Collect Responses. This opens a panel that contains your sharing options and the link you'll distribute. Think of this as your control center for access. Now decide who should be able to open and submit the form. If you pick Anyone can respond, the form is public to anyone who has the link. This is great for broad surveys or signups, and people won't need to sign in. If you choose only people in your organization, respondents will need to sign in with an account from your organization, which helps you track names automatically and keep responses internal. If you need tighter control, select Specific People. With this option, only the individuals you designate can open the form. It's ideal for sensitive content or limited audiences. You'll be prompted to specify exactly who is allowed, which ensures the link won't work for unintended recipients. Once you've set the right access level, click Copy Link. Microsoft Forms will place the URL on your clipboard instantly. From there, paste it into an email, a chat message, a calendar invite, or wherever your audience will see it. Keep the original access choice in mind. The link will behave according to the setting you selected, so double-check that it matches your intent before you send it out. A couple of quick best practices as you wrap up. Consider testing the link yourself in a private or incognito window, or by asking a colleague to try it to confirm the experience matches your chosen access level. Also, share the link with a short note that explains what the form is for and when responses are due. Clear context usually boosts completion rates. If later you decide to broaden or restrict access, you can revisit the Collect Responses panel at any time and update the setting. Your audience's ability to open the form will update immediately. That's it. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching and happy form sharing.